Hi guys, welcome back to my channel V and Craft Toys. Today I introduce to you an iPhone. This is iPhone 12. This is iPhone 12. This phone maybe will introduce to you uh, in two months later by Apple company, and maybe you can buy this phone. It's really phone. It's real phones. Uh, 2 years later, and you can buy this phone 2 years later. And iPhone 12 maybe has 4 camera. It has 4 camera, and I think it have a very good space zoom. Maybe this with this phone you can zoom with in a distance very far. Maybe it's same Samsung Galaxy S20 inch. S20 inch, okay. So this video I don't show you how to make this phone. If you want to make this phone, you can watch again another video that I already upload to my channel, and that video I show you step by step to make this phone. And now if you like this video, please press like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel to get more information when I upload a new video. Thank you. Bye.